So this is the SQL fifth lesson. We will start with SQL group functions. So now in SQL, we have following group functions: count, max, min, avg, sum, and distinct. So first we'll see the count group function. So count mean this function returns the number of rows in a table that satisfies the condition specified in the where condition. If the where condition is not specified, then the query returns the total number of rows in the table. So here what we'll do is, we'll try to do this one. Select count all from EMP where department number is equal to 30. So I'll go to create query design and I'll go to SQL view. Then there I'll type select count, say count all from EMP, count all from EMP where department number is equal to 30. So when you run this one, you can see the number of employees in the department number 30. Okay, so I'll save this one. If you go and see in the department number of 30, there are 4 employees here. So then we'll try the next one. So we'll try the next one here. Select count all from EMP. So there we don't give any condition. So if then according to this definition, if the where condition is not specified, then the query returns the total number of rows in the table. So we will see. So create query design and we'll go to SQL view. There we will type select count all from EMP without any condition. If you say select count all from EMP, then you can see there are number of record is 6. Okay, so this is about this. So we'll save this. So again, if you go through it again, select count all from EMP where department number is equal to 30 mean you can get the number of records, number of employees in the department number 30. If the where clause is omitted, then you will get the total number of records in the table. That is about count. So then now we will study about the max function. So this function is used to get the maximum value from a column. So to get the maximum salary drawn by an employee, the query would be select a max cell from EMP. So we will try this one here. Select, if you say select max, if you say select max cell from, if you say select max cell from EMP, so then when you run this query, you will get the maximum salary in the table. Okay, so you can get the maximum salary from the table. Okay, so then we will save this as query 3. So once again, I'll explain that mean if you say max cell from EMP mean you can get the maximum salary from the table. Now, but when you say here, select max cell from EMP where department number is equal to 20. So in that case, what will happen? It will take the maximum salary in the department number 20 only. So so it will select the maximum salary from EMP where department number is equal to 20. So then, so we will try and see, create query design SQL view. So there we type max cell from EMP. So where department number is equal to 20. So when you run this one, you can see it is 2975. So I will save this. So that so query 4, you can see query 4, select max cell of from EMP where depart number is equal to 20. If you go and observe the table, department number 20, if you see department 20, maximum salary is 2975. So you see, you can see 2975. So that is the output I have shown here. Then the next one is a min function. So mean that is the minimum salary. Okay, so it is min cell from EMP mean. You can get the min cell from EMP. So that mean minimum salary you can get it. So we'll go to create query design SQL view. So select min cell from EMP. So min cell from EMP. So when you run here, so you can get the minimum salary. So I will save this one, query 5. So you can see the minimum salary of the minimum salary is 800. So that is displaying here. So you can see min cell. So then next one is select min cell from EMP where department number is equal to 20. So there you will get the minimum salary within the department number 20. So we'll try this one now. So here create query design SQL view. So we will say min cell from EMP where department number is equal to 20. So that is 800. I'll save this one. So here, when you see, you can see in the department number 20. So the minimum salary is 20. The department number 20, the minimum salary is 800. So you can see here. So the minimum salary mean, so if you say, once again, we'll see here. Select min cell from EMP mean, it will take the entire table and give you the minimum salary. In this case, select minimum salary from EMP within the department number, it will give you the minimum salary. Right. So now we will see the average function. So average function mean so this function is used to get the average value of numeric column. To get the average salary, the query would be, so you can say select AVG cell from EMP. So I'll go to create query design. I'll go to SQL view. So select AVG cell from EMP. So when you run this one, you can see it is average of the salary. So I will save this one. That mean average mean, you know that you have to add these you have to add these salary, and you have 6 record. So this you have to add these things and divide by 6. Then you will get the average. So then the next one is a sum function. So sum function, you know that select sum salary from EMP, total salary you will get. So I'll create a query design, SQL view. So select sum cell from EMP. So you will get the sum of these salary. Okay. So 10725. Okay. So that is sum of salary. I'll save this query. Right. So then next one is the distinct one. So distinct one mean, distinct one, this function is used to select the distinct rows. So if you want to select all the distinct department names from employee table, the query would be, so if you say select distinct department number mean, say for example, you see here, distinct mean it will display only one value. Okay. So here 20, it is avoid the duplicate value. So here see now create query design SQL view. So then if you say select distinct employee department number from EMP, then you will get 20 and 30. Okay, it ignores the duplicate value. Okay, so if you, for example, another one, if you try, say create query design SQL view. So now for the employee number column, if you try, what happen? Select distinct employee number from EMP. If you try this one, if you say select distinct EMP number from EMP, so then you will see you can get the all the employees because there is no duplicate in the employee number, so you will get all the records. Okay, so we'll save this one. So now we have completed the group functions. So next time we will start with the group by function.